In the process of sheet metal manufacturing, blanking is usually the first step. In this video, JR Panel will introduce 3 kinds of equipment for sheet metal blanking. 1. Shearing machine. Shearing machine uses a moving upper blade and a fixed lower blade to apply shearing force to metal sheets of various thicknesses. By using a reasonable blade gap, engineers can make the sheets break. 2. Laser cutting machine. The surface of the material after laser cutting is very smooth. Laser cutting is not affected by shape complexity. Laser can cut sheet into any shape, regardless of complexity. 3. CNC Turret Punch. The CNC punching machine has a fast processing speed and can automatically complete complex hole patterns and shallow stretch forming processing one time, such as shutters, countersunk holes. It is suitable for small batch processing of diversified products. The JR Panel factory is equipped with laser cutting machines and CNC turret punching machine, which can basically meet most of the needs of user. Follow JR Panel to learn more about sheet metal processing.